Damn, y'all. Yes! I was spot on, baby. I was spot on. I woke up this morning, I heard a rumble, and I was like, damn, yo. Shit sound crazy out here. And like, man, hold up. I got that bucket full. I'm about to get my other one for shit starting to die down. I can hear it starting to die down. I'm filling these bitches up. YouTube. Hold on, y'all. See, man, everybody about to get their fill on, you know what I'm saying? I wish I'd have got me another damn bucket. I should have. I wasn't thinking, though. But it's all good. See? That's going to be dope for them plants. So I woke up, I heard this rumble. I was like, damn, what the hell is that? It sounded like it's going hard outside. So I look outside, and that's what I seen. You know? We got it falling good out here, too. Rain on me. They got me singing in the rain. It's supposed to rain some more. See, look at these clouds. You know, it's overcast like a motherfucker. That shit ain't going nowhere, you know, you dig? That shit ain't going nowhere, son. Nowhere. Say. Damn. If I didn't need that big ass trash can right there for garbage, I would use that motherfucker to put some water in. Yeah, I certainly would. But, you know, that's pretty much it. See, it's done died down now, you know what I'm saying? But my baby's over there still getting full up, you know what I'm saying? They're getting full over there. And, pretty much it. It's gonna be raining all day, so that ain't the end. I might go back to the store, give me another bucket or something. But you know, that's pretty much it, Urban Growers. Peace out.